Today I'm reviewing Coinbase, one of the world's most popular crypto platforms. If you're considering using it, watch this video first. Links to Coinbase are in the description below. Coinbase offers a user-friendly interface, making it ideal for beginners and seasoned traders alike. You can buy, sell, and hold a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins, with simple, intuitive steps. Security is a priority here. Coinbase stores 98% of customer funds offline and provides insurance for the remaining assets, giving users peace of mind about protecting their digital assets. One standout feature is Coinbase Pro, which is designed for those who want advanced trading tools. With lower fees than the main platform and more customization in order types, Coinbase Pro suits active traders aiming to maximize gains through technical trading. And if you're looking to earn while you learn, Coinbase Earn allows you to complete educational modules on specific cryptocurrencies and earn rewards in return, making it a unique feature to build knowledge and increase holdings at the same time. Who is Coinbase for? Beginners will appreciate the straightforward interface and ease of use, while more experienced traders can benefit from advanced features on Coinbase Pro. The platform's flexibility makes it ideal for anyone interested in investing in crypto without needing extensive technical knowledge. However, keep in mind that Coinbase has higher fees compared to some other platforms, especially on the main app. This makes it more suitable for users focused on ease and security over getting the lowest possible trading costs. It's a great choice if you want a trusted, reliable platform backed by a large user base and strong security measures. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support us and help others learn valuable information about crypto platforms like Coinbase. Thanks for watching.